A letter hidden in the library. Every town has secrets. This story has one. A quiet library stood, alone. It was old, but loved. Many people visited, daily. Many books slept there. Emma loved that library. She visited every Saturday. She loved reading, quietly. She loved turning pages, slowly. One rainy afternoon, she arrived. The sky looked grey. The wind felt cold. The library felt warm. Emma smiled, softly. She walked between shelves. She looked for adventure books. She looked for mystery books. Then something happened. A book fell, suddenly. It landed near her feet. Emma jumped, slightly. She picked it up. The book looked ancient. Its cover was faded. Its pages were yellow. She opened it, carefully. Something slipped out. A folded letter appeared. Emma looked around. Nobody noticed anything. The letter looked old. Very old, indeed. She unfolded it, slowly. The paper trembled slightly. The writing was beautiful. It began simply. To the finder. Emma became curious. She continued reading. The letter said, "If you found this, please keep reading. Life may seem difficult. Life may seem unfair. But never stop learning. Never stop trying. Every page teaches something. Every mistake teaches something. Every day teaches something." Emma read quietly. Her eyes grew wider. The letter continued. "When I was young, I feared many things. I feared failure. I feared mistakes. I feared being different. Those fears stopped me. For many years." Emma nodded slowly. She understood those feelings. Sometimes she felt afraid. Sometimes she doubted herself. The letter continued. "One day, I entered this library. I opened a book. Then another book. Then another book. My world changed. Books became teachers. Books became friends. Books became windows. They showed possibilities." Emma smiled gently. She loved books too. The letter continued. "I learned courage. I learned patience. I learned kindness. I learned hope. Knowledge changed my future. Not overnight. Not magically. But little by little. Rain tapped windows. The library stayed quiet. Emma kept reading. The letter continued. "If you feel lost, learn something new. If you feel weak, learn something new. If you feel small, learn something new. Knowledge builds strength." Emma thought deeply. The words felt powerful. The letter continued. "I became a teacher. Many students struggled. Many students worried. Many students doubted themselves. I told them, keep learning. Keep growing. Keep moving forward." Emma imagined that teacher. She wondered who. No name appeared. Only wisdom remained. The letter continued. "One more thing. Do not learn alone. Help others learn. Share your knowledge. Share your kindness. Share your time. A single candle shines. Many candles shine brighter." Emma loved that sentence. She read it twice. Then 3 times. The final paragraph appeared. "If this letter helps, leave it hidden. Let another reader find it. Let another heart grow. Let another dream begin." The letter ended there. No signature appeared. No date appeared. Only one small drawing. A tiny open book. Emma sat silently. She looked around. Thousands of books waited. Thousands of lessons waited. Thousands of possibilities waited. She folded the letter. Carefully, respectfully. Then she thought. She could take it. She could keep it. But she remembered. Let another reader find it. Emma smiled warmly. She placed the letter back. Inside the old book. Exactly where found. Then she returned it. Back to the shelf. Weeks passed slowly. Emma changed a little. She read more books. She asked more questions. She feared less. She learned more. She helped classmates. She shared ideas. She encouraged friends. One Saturday morning, a young boy entered. He looked nervous. He looked lonely. Emma noticed him. She smiled kindly. Then she pointed toward the library shelves. Toward endless possibilities. Toward hidden treasures. Maybe one day he would find it. The hidden letter. The silent message. The gift of learning. Because some treasures are not gold. Some treasures are not jewels. Some treasures change a life. One page. One lesson. One letter. At a time.